Hey everyone, let's make what's considered the close relative to the Negroni. This is the Boulevardier. It contains pretty much the same ingredients as your Negroni, except with whiskey. And we have here a delicious Coastal Stone whiskey. Hell yeah to Australian products, so let's get into it. Alrighty, so we're gonna whip this one up in our mixing glass. Got our mixing glass here. I'm gonna pop in a handful of ice. We're gonna follow that with 20 mils of our Campari, 40 mils of our whiskey, and 20 mils of our sweet vermouth. Awesome, so once they're in the mixing glass, just give them a little mix. Amazing, once that glass is cold to the touch, you're gonna pop it off to the side. We're gonna grab our rocks glass. Now this is preferably served over a big ice cube. I just checked the freezer and mine haven't set, so we're gonna use the rest of these little ice cubes because at the end of the day, it's doing the same thing, and that's just keeping the drink cold. Alrighty, so now we've got our delicious Boulevardier mixture right here. We're gonna pop our little strainer on there, and we are just gonna give that a pour. Now this is an absolutely refreshing, interesting way to try the amazing flavors of your Campari and your sweet vermouth. Mix it up from your normal Negroni, which is one of my favorite drinks. We do have here a little orange peel that I've pre-prepared on a little steak there as well, and that's just your garnish, and that just gives you a little bit more of those orange flavors on your nose. So just pop that just straight over your glass there. Dress it up to make it look pretty. And there we have our Boulevardier. Enjoy.